I'm on my Venture 2 by Cannondale, and I got my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with the DJI Mic 2 and my helmet that goes underneath so many other manufacturers. And today, yeah, DJI now goes under Extra. And I'm pretty happy, and I got a nice compact mini bike pump. I got my lights on and all that good stuff, and I'm waiting for the sunset to rise. So I'm gonna hop on the bike, get a little ride, come down to the pier, which I'm here, and have a good talk. He on fish. I got a number of videos. I did not delete my camera to format. So I left them on and I'll edit them when I get my chance. And yeah, sometimes it's good to be backed up than to be doing nothing at all. It's dark, no sunrise at the moment. Where Captain Jeff used to be is now Admiral France. Could they board a new boat? I'm watching air traffic, and is that the North Star? My bike ride's a little short until I get back into it. And yeah, just listen to air traffic all day long. My helmet's on there. It's on the bike saying thanks. Yeah, it's not on my head. I took my helmet off. There it is. And yeah, I'm just saying thanks to the driver to allowing me to go safely. See a plane all the way up there, and I see another plane just coming right in this place and going across. Should have brought my Sony CyberShot HX90 with me. But the problem is, dark times in that sensor may not be the best. Oh yeah, Christmas is here. You know it's here when the hardware stores like Home Depot and Lowe's set up and everything's all set. Just like that, so you don't have to do it at the end. And now's the time to go get your stuff right now for Christmas. Shop now, man. Shop now. Those tariffs out of the country, North America, overseas, wherever, they're gonna pay tariffs, which is duty fees, taxes, all that good stuff. Just like when you go on a plane, you're only entitled to this much money, and then you have to pay all those taxes. It's not duty free. Well, that's been around for quite some time, right? Well, the fun is over. Everybody wants their hand in the pocket. And what are you gonna do? I'll let you think about that. Have a coffee and let me know.